Hello, all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Now, we were talking about the chapter 1 Charlie's birthday gift. Let us start the section 2 of the Charlie's birthday gift. Is she fine or not? What happened? He is fine or not this chocolate? See, let us see what happened with the Charlie in competition to find the chocolates, golden tickets, so that happy birthday cried the four old grandpas as Charlie came in their room early that morning. Charlie smiled nervously and sat down on the edge of the bed. He was holding his parents, his present, his only present, very carefully in his two hands. That was the Wonka's Whipple Scrumptious Fitch Mallow Delight, it said on the wrapper. हैप्पी बर्थडे क्राइड द फोर ओल्ड ग्रैंड पास ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स वो जो ओल्ड ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स थे उनके ही विश दैम हैप्पी बर्थडे एज चार्ली कैम इन देयर रूम ही एंटर्ड इन देयर रूम दे विश दैम हैप्पी बर्थडे on the day his birthday and Charlie smiled very nervously very strangely and sit down on the edge of the bed वो बेड के किनारे पर बैठ जाता है as he so it was and he replied very nervously very sadly and very strangely and sit down on the edge of the bed वो बेड के किनारे पर बैठ जाता है he said and he was holding in his present in his hand he holding his present his beautiful lovely gift which he liked very much he his only present his single gift very carefully in his hand in his two hands means he holding this present very carefully in his hands that is Wonka's chocolate that was written on this chocolate Wonka's Whipple scrumptious fudge mallow delight टेस्टी इसकी चॉकलेट इट इज़ रिटन ऑन द रेपर ये लिखा हुआ था रेपर पे द फोर ओल्ड पीपल्स टू एट आइदर एंड ऑफ द बेड propped themselves up on their pillows and started with anxious eyes at the bar of chocolate in Charlie's hand. Mr. and Mrs. Bucket came in and stood at the front of the bed and watching Charlie. The four old people, the four grandpas, grandparents, the four grandparents जो थे उनके जो two couple of the grandparents, two at the either of the bed, two at the end of the bed, two at the edge of the bed, end of the bed and propped themselves upon their pillows and they were taking the support of the pillow and started anxious eyes at the bar of chocolate in Charlie's hand and they were watching this chocolate very anxiously and very sadly. Mr. and Mrs. Bucket came in and stood at the front of the bed watching Charlie. Mr. and Mrs. Buckets, the parents of the kid Charlie, also is present there. They came inside, entered the room, and present at their front of the bed and watching them. They were watching the Charlie, and the room became silent. The room filled up with the very silence. रूम में बिल्कुल चुप्पी सी छा गई थी एवरीबडी वॉज वेटिंग नाउ फॉर चार्ली टू स्टार्ट ओपनिंग द चार्ली वॉज गोइंग टू ओपन दिस चॉकलेट everyone knows what's a secret inside the chocolate everyone crazy to opening of the chocolate हर व्यक्ति everybody was waiting हर व्यक्ति इस बात की वेट में था द चार्ली इज गोइंग टू ओपन द चॉकलेट कि वो चॉकलेट खोलने जा रहा है विच इज़ हिज प्रेजेंट वो जो कि उसकी गिफ्ट है चार्ली लुक डाउन एट द बार ऑफ चॉकलेट ही अगेन लुक डाउन एट द चॉकलेट ही ran his fingers slowly back at the fourth along the length of it. He again touched gently with his fingers slowly and measurement the length of the chocolate. अच्छा फिर से वो इस पर अपनी quick fingers he rub his fingers on the chocolate. He जिसे कहें again touch the chocolate with the fingers and take the enjoy slowly and slowly of the length and stroking it lovingly and cutting it lovingly and shiny paper wrapper made little sharp crinkly noise and again she take the enjoy to touch of it वो इसको छूकर फिर से आनंदित होता है slowly धीरे धीरे and length of it और देखता है कि it is very long ये बहुत लंबी है stroking it lovingly he again touch it very lovingly and this bright shiny wrapper was made little sharp and make it very sharp type of sounds in the quiet room. और फिर जब वो इसे छेड़ता है, a sharp rise a sharp type of sounds from the chocolate. Then Mrs. Bucket said gently, "You must be too disappointed. You mustn't be too disappointed, my dear darling. Don't be disappointed. Don't be unhappy, my dear little kid, my lovely kid. Don't be unhappy. It is your birthday. If you don't find what you are looking for the underneath the wrapper, if you don't find that golden ticket, you really can't expect to be as lucky as all that. If you don't find what you are looking for underneath the paper, everyone know what he was searching inside the he just wanted golden tickets inside the wrapper paper, and you really can't expect to be as lucky as that. And if you don't find that type of golden paper, and you can't be very lucky. So she's quite right, Mr. Bucket said. Ye bilkul sahi keh rahi hai. You really can't expect to be as lucky as that, and don't try to be as lucky as they were who's finding the ticket. She's quite right. She's saying absolute right, Mr. Bucket said, and Charlie didn't say anything. But Charlie couldn't say. वो कुछ नहीं कह पाया था. After all, Grandma Josephine said, in the whole wide world are only 3 tickets left to be found. After all, Grandma Josephine said. Grandma Josephine कहती है, in the whole wide world, there are only 3 tickets left to be found. She informed them there are left only 3 tickets to be found. 2 has already found by any others. The thing to remember, Grandma Georgina said, it is whatever happens, you will still have the bar of chocolate. The thing to remember, एक बात याद रखना, Grandma Georgina said, वो कहती हैं, is that whatever happened, what happened is that whatever happens with you and what's going to be happen with you, that's not a matter. तुम्हारे संग चाहे कुछ भी हो, you will still have the bar of chocolate. You will still, something happened or not, but you will get a bar of chocolate. You will still have the bar of chocolates. And Wonka's Whipple Scrumptious Fudge Mallow Delight. The Wonka's Whipple Scrumptious Fudge Mallow Delight. और वही चॉकलेट होगी विच इज़ इन योर हैंड, जो कि तुम्हारे हाथ में है. क्राइड ग्रैंडपा जॉर्ज कहते हैं लाउडली, that is Wonka Whipple Scrumptious Fudge Mallow Delight. This is the name of the chocolate and you will get this. It is the best of them all. You will just love it. It is best chocolate of them. सारी chocolates में ये सबसे best है, and you will just love it and you liked it very much. Just forget all those golden tickets and enjoy the chocolate, Grandpa Joe said. Joe said, forget all these type of things about the golden tickets and enjoy the chocolate. Why don't you do that? तुम ये क्यों नहीं करते? Take the enjoy of the chocolate and don't think about the golden ticket. They all know it is very ridiculous to expect this one poor little bar of chocolate to have a magic ticket inside it. They all know it's very hard to expect this one poor little bar of chocolate to have a magic ticket inside. There is no hope to find any type of magic ticket in this chocolate, so that it is very sad. It is very ridiculous. It's very strange. And they were trying to gently, as kindly as could know, prepare Charlie for the disappointment. And they were trying as gently, as kindly as they could to prepare Charlie for disappointment. As they all are very trying gently, very happily, as kindly, as very kindfully. They were trying to make the kid happy because he was not happy. He was very disappointed. He was very disturbed because he was not getting the golden ticket. But there was one other thing that the grown-ups also know, that it was this: the however small the chance might be striking lucky, the chance was there. But everyone know that very well. सभी इस बात को बहुत, these are grown-ups, these all old age, सभी ये बात बहुत अच्छे से जानते थे. And it was this, यही वो chance था. This was this, that's the moment, is that to get the chance. Whoever small the chance, however small the chance, might of striking lucky. There is a very little hope to get this ticket. The chance was there, and the chance had to be there. There was a little hope. There was a little hope to get the chance. The particular bar of the chocolate had as much chance as any other of having a golden ticket. A particular of bar chocolate, this the khas chocolate, this a particular special chocolate bar of a special bar of the chocolate had much chances, has a great chances as any other of having a golden tickets. And that was why all the grandparents and parents in the room were actually just as the tense and excited as the Charlie was, and although they were very pretending to do very calm, they all are very excited to know is it golden ticket or not. And that was why इसलिए all the grandparents and parents were in the room were very actually just as tensionized and very much excited as Charlie, as they were all are very excited to find this chocolate, and they were pretend to be very calm. They are sitting very calmfully. Very slowly Charlie fingers began to tear upon. He is going to open it now. The old people in the bed all landed forward and craning their scratchy necks, and all old age people coming towards him and stretching, एंड दे वर वेरी क्रेजी टू सी इट ऑल लैंडेड फॉरवर्ड, वो उतर के नीचे आ जाते हैं एंड क्रैनिंग दे आर स्क्रैनिंग नेक्स एंड स्ट्रेचिंग दे आर थिन एंड bony necks to see better, and they came down to see what happened, they are founding golden ticket or not. Then suddenly, as though he couldn't bear the suspense any longer, because they can't bear it the suspense very long, so now they came down and see what happened. The Charlie tore the wrapper right down the middle, and on his lap there fell a light brown creamy colored bar of chocolate. He opened the chocolate, a creamy colored delicious brown colored creamy chocolate come out on his lap. There was no sign of golden ticket anywhere, but there was no any type of golden ticket. Well, that's that, said Grandpa Joe brightly. Well, what is that? Said Grandpa Joe. It's just we expected. ये वही है as we think, जैसा हमने सोचा था. Charlie looked up. Charlie ऊपर देखता है. Four kind old faces were watching him. Four old, four For kind old faces were watching him intentionally from the bed. They all are watching from him bed, their grandparents. He smiled at him. Charlie smiled at him, a small sad and smiled. He was sad but smiled, and then shrugged his shoulders and picked up the chocolate. And he put up high shoulders and picked up his chocolate. वो अपने कंधे उचकाता है और कंधे ऊपर उठाता है और अपनी चॉकलेट उठाता है एंड हेल्ड इट आउट टू हिज मदर, और अपनी मदर से कहता है, हियर मदर, हैव ए बाइट, डियर मदर, टेक ए बाइट, वेल शेयर इट, आई वांट एवरीबडी टू टेस्ट इट, लेट अस शेयर इट एंड आई वांट एवरीवन शुड बी टेस्ट इट. ओके, थैंक यू.